Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Food Tech Online. Today we are discuss the most important MCQs on topic food chemistry. This video is important for those who are preparing FSSAI CBT exam and state FSO exam. It is a set number 7, set 1 to 6, link in description. So let's start. Which one of the following enhance the gut of functioning? A. Phytosterol B. Probiotics. C. Antioxidant. D. Omega-3 fatty acid. The answer is B. Probiotics. Which of the following is not PUFA? A. Linoleic acid. B. Oleic acid. C. Linoleic acid. D. Arachidonic acid. The answer is B. Oleic acid. Which of the following is defined as the food are part of food that provide medicinal and health benefit include the prevention and treatment of disease. A. Nutraceutical. B. Functional food. C. Dietary supplement. D. Pharmaceutical. The answer is A. Nutraceutical. Alpha-linolic acid is right as 18:3, which means A. 18 carbon atoms and double bond at C3. B. 18 hydrogen atom and 3 carbon atoms. C. 18 carbon atoms and 3 double bonds. D. 18 single bond and 3 double bonds. The answer is C. 18 carbon atoms and 3 double bonds. Which of the following would be considered component of public health nutrition? A. Dietary guidelines. B. Nutritional epidemiology. C. Fortification of food with vitamins and minerals. D. All of the option list are correct. The answer is all of the options list are correct. Are GM food valuable tools with which to address global food security and climate change? A. No, because they may cause cancer and have other unknown health effects, those making them unacceptable to consumer. B. Yes, because they are provide us with more adequate and economical food supply for the world as well as continuous improvement in nutritional quality. C. Yes, because they are cheaper than non-GM food. D. No, because GM food cannot adapt the rate of climate change. The answer is B. Yes, because they can provide us with more adequate and economical food supply for the world as well as continuous improvement in nutritional quality. Which active non-nutrient is a common component of yogurt? A. Fiber. B. Probiotics. C. Antioxidant. D. Phytochemicals. The answer is B. Probiotics. Bread which has been fortified with vitamins and minerals is classified as which type of food? A. Organic. B. Genetic modified. C. Functional. D. Specialized. The answer is D. Specialized. Which of the following statement is correct? A. The flavonoids class comprise the flavonoids and isoflavonoids. B. Digestibility and bioavailability of isoflavone in soya food product are not changed by processing. C. Beta carotene and lycopene can be both act as a provitamin A. And D. Carotenoids and flavonoids both belonging to polyphenol class. The answer is A. The flavonoids class comprise the flavonoids and isoflavonoids. Grapes are considered functional food because they contain this substance. A. Protein. B. Carbohydrate. C. Phytochemical. D. None of the above. The answer is A. Protein. Which of the following is present in flaxseed? A. Secoisocyinol, isocyinol, and larisresinol. B. Metraresinol. C. Pinoresinol. And D. All of the above. The answer is D. All of the above. Omega-3 fatty acids are naturally high in salmon. Therefore, salmon can classify as this type of food. A. Fortified food. B. Functional food. C. Dietary supplement. D. Nutraceutical. The answer is B. Functional food. Carotenoids are not responsible for the following hue in plant. A. Yellow. B. Orange. C. Pink. D. Red. The answer is C. Pink. Which of the following carotenoids is found in flamingo? A. Xanthin. B. Cryptoxanthin. C. Astaxanthin. D. Lutein. The answer is C. Astaxanthin. Which one of the following is herbo-mineral drugs? A. Melatonin. B. Glutathione. C. Shilajit. D. Carnitine. The answer is C. Shilajit. Which class of molecule consists of two aromatic rings joined by the oxygenated C ring? A. Flavonoids. B. Stilbene. C. Glucosinolates. D. Phenolic acid. The answer is A. Flavonoids. Ligands are the part of which family of compounds? A. Carotenoid. B. Polyphenol. C. Phytosterol. D. None of the above. The answer is B. Polyphenol. As a part of their molecular structure, hydrocarbon carotenoids contain A. No hydroxy group. B. One hydroxy group. C. Two hydroxy group. D. Less than two hydroxy group. The answer is C. Two hydroxy group. Which form of flavonoids are so known as phytoestrogen? A. Flavanol. B. Flavanols. C. Isoflavonols. D. Anthocyanidin. The answer is C. Isoflavanol. Catechin and epicatechin are A. Flavanols. B. Flavanols. C. Isoflavonols. D. Anthocyanidin. The answer is flavanols. Which one of the following is not part of visually defined for the functional food? A. It is consumed as a part of normal food pattern. B. It is not pill and capsule or any form of dietary supplement. C. It has a physiological benefit and reduce the risk of chronic disease beyond basis of nutritional requirement. D. None of the above. The answer is D. None of the above. Which one of the following carotenoids is present in a high concentration in the macula? A. Lycopene. B. Lutein. C. Alpha carotene. B. Beta carotene. The answer is B. Lutein. Which unsaturated fatty acid present in high concentration in rod cell of retina? A. Oleic acid. B. Linoleic acid. C. Linolenic acid. D. Docosahexaenoic acid. The answer is D. Docosahexaenoic acid. The essential fatty acid include A. Stearic acid and oleic acid. B. Oleic acid and linoleic acid. C. Palmitic acid and linolenic acid. And D. Linoleic acid and linolenic acid. The answer is D. Linoleic acid and linolenic acid. Which vitamin may interact with anticoagulated warfarin and increase the risk of excessive bleeding? The answer is A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin K, C. Vitamin B6, D. Vitamin B12. The answer is A. Vitamin A. The most biologically active form of vitamin E is A. All rack alpha tocopherol, B. RR alpha tocopherol, C. All rack alpha tocosterol, D. RR gamma tocopherol. The answer is C. All rack alpha tocosterol. Which one of the following statement is incorrect? A. Tocopherol has a saturated hydrocarbon chain. There is a tocosterols are unsaturated. B. Tocopherol ester are the most stable than free tocopherol. C. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta tocopherol differ from each other on the hydrocarbon chain. D. Vitamin E act as an antioxidant in lipid. The answer is C. Alpha, beta, gamma tocopherol different from of each other on the hydrocarbon chain. Retinopathy of a prematurity is associated with deficiency of which nutrient? A. Retinol, B. Tocopherol, C. Cholecalciferol, D. None of the above. The answer is D. None of the above. Tea is a major dietary source. Which one of the following trans element? A. Manganese, B. Zinc, C. Copper, D. Selenium. The answer is A. Manganese. Kashan and Kashin Bech disease in China are associated with deficiency of that mineral in the soil. A. Cobalt, B. Myobladum, C. Copper, D. Selenium. The answer is D. Selenium. Diets high in fiber have been proposed to protect against the colorectal cancer by which one of the following mechanism? A. Antioxidant effect, which quenches free radicals. B. Increase repair of damaged DNA. C. Increase induction of detoxifying enzyme. D. More rapid removal of a potential carcinogen. The answer is D. More rapid removal of potential carcinogen. Which one of the following statement is incorrect? A. SFAS with 14 and 16 fatty acids are strongly associated with rises LDL level. B. Replacement of a SFA with N6-PUF reduce the plasma LDL level. C. For the optimal plasma lipid profile, N6-PUF should be contribute at least 10% of dietary energy. D. None of the above. The answer is A. SAF with 18 and 16 fatty acids are strongly associated with rises of LDL level. FPO stand for A. Food product order, B. Fruit product order, C. Food and fruit product order, D. None of the above. The answer is B. Fruit product order. MPO stand for A. Meat product order, B. Milk product order, C. Milk and milk product order, D. None of the above. The answer is A. Meat product order. Curcumin is A. Terpenoids, B. Anthocyanin, C. Dietary heptanoids, D. Flavonoids. The answer is D. Flavonoids. Which of the following is the protein? A. Glutathione, B. Melatonin, C. Carotenoid, D. Collagen. The answer is D. Collagen. Which of the following is a prebiotic food? A. Chicory root, B. Tomato, C. Banana, D. All of the above. The answer is D. All of the above. Which one of the following is prebiotic? A. Fructo oligosaccharide, B. Galacto oligosaccharide, C. Oxalo oligosaccharide, D. All of the above. The answer is D. All of the above. Which of the following is a probiotic? A. Bifidobacterium species, D. Lactobacillus species, C. Yogurt, D. All of the above. The answer is A. Bifidobacterium species and Lactobacillus species. Naturally occurring compound found in plants and believed to have health promoting property are called as A. Steroids, B. Toxicides, C. Phytochemicals, D. Chlorofluorocarbons. The answer is A. Steroids. Daily recommended dose in curcumin is A. 15 to 100 mg per day, B. 15 to 50 mg per day, C. 200 to 300 mg per day, D. 500 to 2000 mg per day. The answer is D. 500 to 2000 mg per day. The shelf life of determination for nutraceuticals preparation is based on A. Safety evaluation data, B. Standardized data, C. Characterization data, D. Stability evaluation. The answer is D. Stability evaluation data. The substance intentionally added that affect the natural and quality of food is called as A. Food poisoning, B. Food adulteration, C. Food contamination, D. Food material. The answer is D. Food material. Dash delivery system afford a solution for the challenges of low aqueous solubility of constituents for supplements with lipid soluble nature. A. Cyclodextrin complex, B. Liposomal carrier system, C. Biodegradable hydrogen gel, D. Nanotechnology based formulation. The answer is B. Liposomal carrier system. Standards for the egg mark certification are approved by A. Director of Agriculture, B. Director of Marketing and Inspection, C. All Indian Associated of Agriculture, B. Bureau of Indian Standard. The answer is B. Director of Marketing and Inspection. Dash is the type of intentional adulteration. A. Addition of bricks red color in a red chili powder, B. Arsenic from the pesticide entry into food, C. Metallic contamination due to the tin and can used for packaging, D. Leaching of plastic into food material. The answer is A. Addition of bricks red color in red chili powder. Edible mushroom have detect the level of dash contamination. A. Heavy metal, B. Pesticide, C. Radioactive, D. Mycotoxin. The answer is A. Heavy metal. The food which are the mainly designed for the curing different types of disease are called A. Proprietary food, B. Convenient food, C. Therapeutic food, D. Genetic modified food. The answer is C. Therapeutic food. State The year when NIN has developed RDA value: A. 1974 to 1965, B. 1989 to 209, C. 1989 to 2011, D. 1989 and 2010. The answer is D. 1989 2010. Which one of the following composed of banana like aroma? A. Diacetyl, B. Isoamyl acid, C. Nerol, D. Ethylene butyrate. The answer is B. Isoamyl lactate. For more video, link in description. For daily updates and study material, our Telegram, Instagram and LinkedIn account. So let's subscribe our channel, share with your friends. Those are preparing FSSAI CBT 2 exam and state FSO exam. Thank you.